you want to stay, here's the next example. It goes like this. We need to evaluate. I did, didn't I?
Yeah.
Evaluate the integral. It looks like 1 minus x plus 2x minus x cubed over x times x squared plus 1 cubed, squared, I'm sorry, dx. Okay? So, it's a proper rational function because x squared plus 1 squared gives me x to the fourth. So it's greater than x cubed. And I see I have a linear factor and I have twice repeated quadratic factor. So I'm going to break down the integrand 1 minus x plus 2x minus x cubed over x times x squared plus 1. It's conveniently, we also already have it in a factored form. So we have the linear a over x, and then this is squared. Okay? And then we have plus bx plus c over x squared plus 1, and then plus dx plus e over x squared plus 1 squared, like so. And then multiply by and divide by the GCD and get negative 1 over, 1 minus x plus 2x minus x. This is x squared. This is x squared. I was rushing, so, okay, 1 minus x plus 2x squared minus x cubed. Here we go. Equals to what? A will be multiplied by x squared squared plus bx plus c will be multiplied by x times x squared plus 1 and finally dx plus e will be simply multiplied by x. Right? Now, we need to write it in terms of common coefficients, so I'll write it like so. It will be, if you clear everything, well, let's actually break it down. This will be a times x to the fourth plus 2x squared plus 1. Okay, here we have x cubed plus x, so times bx, so it will be b times x to the fourth plus x squared, and then you have c times x cubed plus x, and finally you have d times x squared and e times x. Compare coefficients. It will be a plus b times x to the fourth, c times x cubed, 2a plus b plus d times x squared, c plus e times x, and the free coefficient is a. And now we can compare, and we come up with this system. 1, the free coefficient is a. Okay? Negative 1, the coefficient of x is c plus e. 2, the coefficient of x squared is 2a plus b plus d. Negative 1, the coefficient of x cubed is c. Why do I have c plus e here? C. It cannot be e. It's just c, isn't it?
C plus E.
The coefficient of x cubed?
No, it's just not. It's C.
It's just c. and then 0, we have no x to the fourth. 0 is a plus b. Okay? And you solve it, and you have the following solution. A equals 1, B equals -1, C equals -1, D equals 1, and E equals 0. Okay, and that's it. That's you can now write your integral and integrate it to your hard content.